Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I actually got some friend mail that I want to share with you guys. I haven't opened it, so I want to open it firsthand with you guys. But I just want to say thank you. This video is really all about saying thank you to my YouTube besties. I don't want to forget anybody. I'm going to start off by saying thank you to Vanessa Beauty. She's my best friend here on YouTube, and you've seen her a lot on my channel doing skincare stuff together because we both love it. And she actually organized this and got all the girls together to give me a surprise gift. When the box came in and it arrived like a week before my birthday, I just broke down in tears because we're like a small family. We're like sisters. Literally, her and I and all the girls in this group are like sisters. We shared our ups and downs and our joys and our personal life with each other. It has just been an amazing journey with these girls, and I really appreciate everything that they've done for me, for my channel. I also want to say thank you to Lin Beauty. I know she organized this whole thing with Vanessa, and actually all the girls like put in so much work and effort in just making my birthday more special. And so I just want to thank Leslie, Lin Beauty. If you haven't seen her channel, please go check her out. She is an artist at heart. I mean, she transforms her face with makeup, and it's always so fun to watch her. I've known Leslie, I think, as much as I've known Vanessa. Maybe there's just like a 1 or 2 month gap, but that's it. And I've known her for so long, and we've been able to talk to each other and say to each other what's on our minds. I'm going through the list because I don't want to miss everyone. Each of the girls here have amazing channels. Life with Mare, family channel, all around channel. She does food, she does unboxing, she does makeup, she does beauty, she does skincare, and all of her family stuff like vacations and trips and challenges. So I love the variety that Life with Mare does. Chrissy, best day ever. She definitely makes each day the best day ever. That's exactly from her quote. Her and her family does the most unique, the most fun things. They do family trips, and they take us to places we've never been and show us experiences that we've never had. I enjoy watching her family and her videos each week. And then Queen of Hearts, oh my gosh, another great makeup artist. I mean, she's not like a professional makeup artist. She always says that, but everything she does looks very professional. I mean, out of this world. And I actually get a lot of inspiration from her and Leslie as far as the colors and the colors that they bring to their eyes. I mean, when it comes to colorful look, you know that either Leslie or Liz has done the look some way or form. Hanging with Hillary, oh my gosh, she does Costco hauls, and she actually gave me the idea when she was doing Costco hauls. I was like, you know what, I should do Costco beauty hauls or walkthroughs when it comes to beauty and skincare. And that's how a lot of my Costco videos kind of arise, is because of her videos. Each of us girls draw inspiration, we share ideas, we brainstorm ideas as far as, you know, what we could show on our channel next. Hanging with Hillary, she is very active right now on Instagram, and she posts a lot of her outfits and also places she's been and her shoes. I mean, she loves her Nikes, her sneakers. She has a collection. Jackie Naturals. Jackie Naturals is the sweetest person I've ever met. When you want a voice of reason, you go to Jackie. When you need to calm down, you go to Jackie. You know, I remember like when we're writing letters to like brands, we ask for Jackie's opinion. But Jackie's channel is wonderful. She does a lot of wig reviews. She also does a lot of hauls, unboxings. And I like to say that I think she is the boxy pop-up queen, because whenever there's a sale, she really is on top of it. And actually this month, we're both March babies. So I just want to say thank you so much for your support, for your friendship. And happy birthday to you as well. And then we have Rachel, Flakey Diva. She is the youngest, she is the baby in the group, but she is feisty. She does so many unboxings. I think Between her and Vanessa, they're kind of like a tie with all of the subscription boxes that they have. She has like Walmart. She has the blind bag, so like a secret mystery bag. She has all sorts, from the most common to the least common boxes. She tries them all out. I love her makeup transformations. She brings to the group some kind of fashion and trend, and I really love that about her. Ruby, oh, Ruby's family. Ruby, I am so glad to have met you. Her channel is all about family vlogs. They do cooking, they do challenges. Her and her family are so funny. She recently got married, and so we're so happy for her. Thank you so much, Ruby, for everything that you've done to help me grow, to help all of us girls grow. And also, I want to say thank you to Bethany. Bethany, I think we kind of clicked on the comments on someone else's channel. Bethany is such an awesome supporter. She did a quick shorts movie that I didn't even expect, and she did a quick makeup eye look. Thank you for that. And her channel is so chill. Her channel's name is One Busy Mama, and she's definitely one busy mama. She does every single thing, from painting to all the makeup, and she's actually more into the affordable brand of makeup. I mean, she has all sorts of makeup from most expensive to least, but I love that she explores less expensive makeup and skincare. She's more of like, I don't care if you like me or not kind of person. Like, I love that about her. She doesn't have to put on makeup to show her makeup collection, if you know what I mean, right? I just love how true and how real her channel is. I hope I didn't miss anybody. Thank you so much for the birthday dedication. All of these girls did some form of video or makeup look dedicated to me. I just want to give thanks to everybody who's put in some kind of effort in making my birthday special. And now I have been wanting to know what's in this box. Here is the box. Okay, the first thing I see is this little bag right here. It's a pink bag, and there's a card right there. The card says, Terry, we want to wish you a happy birthday. Also to thank you for being a good friend and for all the support and love. We hope you enjoy your day and your goodies. Wish you many, many more. Your YouTube sisters. I'm an only child, and I feel like I gained sisters for life. So, I got a little teary-eyed there, but this is just happy tears. I'm glad to have met everybody in the group. Okay, I don't wanna get into that. I'm opening a present. I should be excited and smiling and laughing. Okay, so in this bag right here, whoops. I already see one that I like. And I just used it this morning too because my skin is dry coming back from vacation. I got the Badescu skincare facial spray with aloe and cucumber. How did you know? How did you guys know? Well, it's all over my channel. But I love this Badescu setting spray. Very good, very calming on the skin. So cooling and refreshing. Keeps my face hydrated. I love it. And I got two masks. The 111 Skin. I've tried this before. I got it in my Fabfitfun box. Amazing. And I've never tried this one, which now I am so excited to try. A matcha green tea antioxidant sheet mask. If you've seen any of my videos, I love antioxidants. And I love green tea and tea in general. So watch out. There might be a tea subscription coming soon. Who knows? And then, Juvia's Place, Nubian and Coral. Oh my gosh. The first Juvia's Place I got is from Jessica Cifuentes. She also has a YouTube channel. I won her giveaway and it was amazing. Where is that? Oh gosh, if you can't find it, you know I've been using it. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh, of course I have to do that. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, the packaging. I want to do a full-on Juvia's Place makeup look. I got a lipstick. Oh my gosh, I've never tried a lipstick from Juvia's Place. I did not know their packaging is so beautiful. It's a nude one. It's a nudish purple. This is gonna be cute. I mean, it might be a little cool for me, but I can make it work. Look at the shape of the bullet. Such a unique shape. So very nice. The covering has like a velvety feel to it, like a velvety matte feel to it. Wow. I'm just admiring how beautiful this packaging is. Look at this. Super pretty. Thank you so much, girls. Thank you so much. What? You guys are too much. Oh my gosh. From Things Remembered. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is such a nice jewelry box. And I love gold, like, can you tell? Gold items, jewelry, warm tones, warm colors in general really work well with me. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I will forever... You guys, I gotta take a moment to admire and look at this. The detail. Thank you so much. The message is making me teary-eyed. Okay, let me hide my tears behind this. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. You guys are so thoughtful. I don't think I've had anybody do this for me ever. It's amazing how I've met all of these girls. I'm just so blessed and I'm just so thankful. Thank you for the friendship. We live so far apart and yet we feel so close to each other. You guys are the first thing I say hi to in the morning. I mean, sometimes even before my husband. And I hope that someday all of us are gonna see each other in person. I mean, we have to make that happen. I mean, even Mare is from Canada, but she said she's gonna come here for us. I hope we're like this, you know, 10 years from now, whether we have YouTube or not. So that is it, guys. That is the full unboxing. I also want to give a quick shout out to my good friend. I don't want to mention her name because she's not really on social media, but I love this earring that she created for me. She is such an artist. Actually, I gave her a box of flowers from my Michael's unboxing and I was like, I don't know what to do with it, and she turned hers into an Easter wreath. Like, I'll show a picture of what she did right here. Among other things that she bought for me, thank you from the bottom of my heart. By the way, I created a playlist of all the videos that my girls created for me in honor of my birthday, and I am going to link the playlist in the description box and I'll also put it up here in the cards. Definitely check them out. When I'm watching their videos, I feel so shy and embarrassed that someone is talking to me in that way, in such a positive light, and I'm so thankful and grateful, and I don't know what I've done to deserve it. Gosh, this wasn't supposed to be an emotional video. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to all the other girls that I just mentioned. They are wonderful, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.